This is 2007 ES350 Lexus. Customer bought this Android radio. Heater control didn't work. So right now it's working. So here's a trick. You go into settings. Go to factory settings. The code is 8888. Hit OK. Then the first option is protocol settings. Right there are different letters right here. Click that. Look for Lexus. There is two Lexus ES. One is L, the other one is H. You can try this one. If that doesn't work, you gotta hit save. If that doesn't work, once you select different options, you gotta save. Then you go into back, and there's a reboot right here. It's a reboot, and you gotta have a system reboot. I'm gonna cancel that. Again, go back there, click this, go all the way down. This car happens to be H, so right here, ESH. Then you save, go back out, reboot. If you don't reboot, the heater control doesn't save. So hit reboot. It's going to take a couple minutes. I don't know why it's upside down when it says Android. I guess they kind of screwed up that. Then it comes back to normal. Okay, so now it's booted, and it didn't work at the beginning until it comes back. You gotta wait about a minute or so, then it comes back to life. So now the heater control works. So when you first reboot it, it will be blank, can't do anything. Let it boot up, wait another minute or two, then it will come back to life. That works. Alright, so temperature reading is not Fahrenheit, it's a Celsius. I'm going to change that to Fahrenheit. So go to 8888. Then where was it? Right here. Then you go to temperature unit selection and select Fahrenheit. Now go back out again, reboot. I'm just gonna let it reboot. Again, you're gonna have to wait. Okay, now it's on regular temperature settings here. That's how you do it.